Problem 1. Find the value of x and x plus 12 equals 20. Start with the given linear equation. X plus 12 equals 20. Subtract 12 from both sides of the equation. X plus 12 minus 12 equals 20 minus 12. Use cancellation to show the constant terms reaching 0. X plus 12 minus 12 cancelled out equals 20 minus 12. Perform the subtraction on the right side to find x. X equals 8. Answer: x equals 8. Problem 2. Find the value of y and 3y plus 15 equals 6. Start with the given equation. 3y plus 15 equals 6. Subtract 15 from both sides to begin isolating the variable term. 3y plus 15 minus 15 equals 6 minus 15. Cancel the opposite constant terms on the left side. 3y plus 15 minus 15 cancelled out equals 6 minus 15. Calculate the difference on the right side. 3y equals minus 9. Divide both sides by 3 to isolate y. 3y over 3 equals minus 9 over 3. Cancel the matching multipliers in the fraction on the left. 3 cancelled out, y over 3 cancelled out equals minus 9 over 3. Simplify the right side to find the final result. Y equals minus 3. Answer: y equals minus 3. Problem 3. Find the value of z and z plus 45 equals 100. Start with the given equation. Z plus 45 equals 100. Subtract 45 from both sides to isolate the variable. Z plus 45 minus 45 equals 100 minus 45. Cancel the numerical terms on the left side. Z plus 45 minus 45 cancelled out equals 100 minus 45. Subtract the values on the right side. Z equals 55. Answer: z equals 55. Problem 4. Find the value of x and 5x plus 20 equals 2x plus 50. Start with the given equation. 5x plus 20 equals 2x plus 50. Subtract 2x from both sides to group the variables. 5x minus 2x plus 20 equals 2x minus 2x plus 50. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. 5x minus 2x plus 20 equals 2x minus 2x cancelled out plus 50. Simplify the variable terms on the left side. 3x plus 20 equals 50. Subtract 20 from both sides. 3x plus 20 minus 20 equals 50 minus 20. Cancel the constants on the left side. 3x plus 20 minus 20 cancelled out equals 50 minus 20. Subtract the constants on the right side. 3x equals 30. Divide both sides by 3. 3x over 3 equals 30 over 3. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 3 cancelled out, x over 3 cancelled out equals 30 over 3. Solve for x. X equals 10. Answer: x equals 10. Problem 5. Find the value of y and y plus 8 equals 12. Start with the given equation. Y plus 8 equals 12. Subtract 8 from both sides. Y plus 8 minus 8 equals 12 minus 8. Cancel the terms on the left side. Y plus 8 minus 8 cancelled out equals 12 minus 8. Perform the final subtraction. Y equals 4. Answer: y equals 4. Problem 6. Find the value of z and 10z plus 5 equals 7z plus 26. Start with the given equation. 10z plus 5 equals 7z plus 26. Subtract 7z from both sides. 10z minus 7z plus 5 equals 7z minus 7z plus 26. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. 10z minus 7z plus 5 equals 7z minus 7z cancelled out plus 26. Simplify the variable terms on the left. 3z plus 5 equals 26. Subtract 5 from both sides. 3z plus 5 minus 5 equals 26 minus 5. Cancel the constants on the left side. 3z plus 5 minus 5 cancelled out equals 26 minus 5. Simplify the right side. 3z equals 21. Divide both sides by 3. 3z over 3 equals 21 over 3. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 3 cancelled out, z over 3 cancelled out equals 21 over 3. Solve for z. Z equals 7. Answer, z equals 7. Problem 7. Find the value of x in x plus 19 equals 40. Start with the given equation. X plus 19 equals 40. Subtract 19 from both sides. X plus 19 minus 19 equals 40 minus 19. Cancel the constants on the left. X plus 19 minus 19 cancelled out equals 40 minus 19. Perform the subtraction on the right. X equals 21. Answer, x equals 21. Problem 8. Find the value of y in 4y minus 10 equals 2y plus 4. Start with the given equation. For y minus 10 equals 2y plus 4. Subtract 2y from both sides. For y minus 2, y minus 10 equals 2y minus 2y plus 4. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. For y minus 2, y minus 10 equals 2y minus 2, y cancelled out plus 4. Simplify the variable terms on the left. 2y minus 10 equals 4. Add 10 to both sides. 2y minus 10 plus 10 equals 4 plus 10. Cancel the constants on the left. 2y minus 10 plus 10 cancelled out equals 4 plus 10. Calculate the sum on the right side. 2y equals 14. Divide both sides by 2. 2y over 2 equals 14 over 2. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 2 cancelled out, y over 2 cancelled out equals 14 over 2. Find the final value for y. Y equals 7. Answer, y equals 7. Problem 9. Find the value of z in z plus 14 equals 30. Start with the given equation. Z plus 14 equals 30. Subtract 14 from both sides. Z plus 14 minus 14 equals 30 minus 14. Cancel the constants on the left side. Z plus 14 minus 14 cancelled out equals 30 minus 14. Subtract the values on the right. Z equals 16. Answer, z equals 16. Problem 10. Find the value of x in 2x plus 10 equals 30. Start with the equation. 2x plus 10 equals 30. Subtract 10 from both sides. 2x plus 10 minus 10 equals 30 minus 10. Cancel the numerical terms on the left. 2x plus 10 minus 10 cancelled out equals 30 minus 10. Perform the subtraction on the right side. 2x equals 20. Divide by 2 on both sides. 2x over 2 equals 20 over 2. Cancel the multipliers on the left. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out equals 20 over 2. Solve for x. X equals 10. Answer, x equals 10. Problem 11. Find the value of y in y plus 100 equals 250. Start with the given equation. Y plus 100 equals 250. Subtract 100 from both sides. Y plus 100 minus 100 equals 250 minus 100. Cancel the terms on the left side. Y plus 100 minus 100 cancelled out equals 250 minus 100. Final result for y. Y equals 150. Answer, y equals 150. Problem 12. Find the value of z in 2z minus 50 equals 150. Start with the given equation. 2z minus 50 equals 150. Add 50 to both sides. 2z minus 50 plus 50 equals 150 plus 50. Cancel the terms reaching 0 on the left. 2z minus 50 plus 50 cancelled out equals 150 plus 50. Perform the addition on the right side. 2z equals 200. Divide both sides by 2. 2z over 2 equals 200 over 2. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 2 cancelled out, z over 2 cancelled out equals 200 over 2. Final result for z. Z equals 100. Answer, z equals 100. Problem 13, find the value of x and x plus 19 equals 19. Start with the given equation. X plus 19 equals 19. Subtract 19 from both sides. X plus 19 minus 19 equals 19 minus 19. Cancel the terms on the left side. X plus 19 minus 19 cancelled out equals 19 minus 19. Perform the subtraction on the right side. X equals 0. Answer x equals 0. Problem 14, find the value of y and 5y plus 10 equals 60. Start with the given equation. 5y plus 10 equals 60. Subtract 10 from both sides. 5y plus 10 minus 10 equals 60 minus 10. Cancel the constant terms on the left. 5y plus 10 minus 10 cancelled out equals 60 minus 10. Simplify the right side. 5y equals 50. Divide by 5 on both sides. 5y over 5 equals 50 over 5. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 5 cancelled out, y over 5 cancelled out equals 50 over 5. Solve for y. Y equals 10. Answer, y equals 10. Problem 15, find the value of z and z plus 7 equals minus 3. Start with the given equation. Z plus 7 equals minus 3. Subtract 7 from both sides. Z plus 7 minus 7 equals minus 3 minus 7. Cancel the constants on the left side. Z plus 7 minus 7 cancelled out equals minus 3 minus 7. Finalize the value on the right. Z equals minus 10. Answer, z equals minus 10. Problem 16, find the value of x and 8x plus 4 equals 6x plus 20. Start with the given equation. 8x plus 4 equals 6x plus 20. Subtract 6x from both sides. 8x minus 6x plus 4 equals 6x minus 6x plus 20. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. 8x minus 6x plus 4 equals 6x minus 6x cancelled out plus 20. Simplify the left side. 2x plus 4 equals 20. Subtract 4 from both sides. 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals 20 minus 4. Cancel the constants on the left side. 2x plus 4 minus 4 cancelled out equals 20 minus 4. Divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 equals 16 over 2. Cancel the multipliers on the left. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out equals 16 over 2. Solve for x. X equals 8. Answer, x equals 8. Problem 17, find the value of y and y plus 13 equals 40. Start with the given equation. Y plus 13 equals 40. Subtract 13 from both sides. Y plus 13 minus 13 equals 40 minus 13. Cancel the constants on the left. Y plus 13 minus 13 cancelled out equals 40 minus 13. Solve for y. Y equals 27. Answer, y equals 27. Problem 18, find the value of z in 12z plus 10 equals 11z plus 5. Start with the given equation. 12z plus 10 equals 11z plus 5. Subtract 11z from both sides. 12z minus 11z plus 10 equals 11z minus 11z plus 5. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. Z plus 10 equals 11z minus 11z cancelled out plus 5. Subtract 10 from both sides. Z plus 10 minus 10 equals 5 minus 10. Cancel the constants on the left side. Z plus 10 minus 10 cancelled out equals 5 minus 10. Solve for z. Z equals minus 5. Answer, z equals minus 5. Problem 19, find the value of x and x plus 25 equals 50. Start with the given equation. X plus 25 equals 50. Subtract 25 from both sides. X plus 25 minus 25 equals 50 minus 25. Cancel the terms on the left. X plus 25 minus 25 cancelled out equals 50 minus 25. find the value of x. X equals 25. Answer: x equals 25. Problem 20. Find the value of y in 4y plus 15 equals 2y plus 25. Start with the given equation. 4y plus 15 equals 2y plus 25. Subtract 2y from both sides. 4y minus 2y plus 15 equals 2y minus 2y plus 25. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. 4y minus 2y plus 15 equals 2y minus 2y cancelled out plus 25. Simplify the left side. 2y plus 15 equals 25. Subtract 15 from both sides. 2y plus 15 minus 15 equals 25 minus 15. Cancel the constants on the left. 2y plus 15 minus 15 cancelled out equals 25 minus 15. Divide by 2 on both sides. 2y over 2 equals 10 over 2. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 2 cancelled out, y over 2 cancelled out equals 10 over 2. Final value of y. Y equals 5. Answer: y equals 5. Problem 21. Find the value of z in z plus 12 equals 35. Start with the given equation. Z plus 12 equals 35. Subtract 12 from both sides. Z plus 12 minus 12 equals 35 minus 12. Cancel the constants on the left. Z plus 12 minus 12 cancelled out equals 35 minus 12. Perform the final subtraction. Z equals 23. Answer: z equals 23. Problem 22. Find the value of x in 10x minus 100 equals 200. Start with the equation. 10x minus 100 equals 200. Add 100 to both sides. 10x minus 100 plus 100 equals 200 plus 100. Cancel the terms on the left side. 10x minus 100 plus 100 cancelled out equals 200 plus 100. Simplify the right side. 10x equals 300. Divide by 10 on both sides. 10x over 10 equals 300 over 10. Cancel the multipliers on the left side. 10 cancelled out, x over 10 cancelled out equals 300 over 10. Solve for x. X equals 30. Answer: x equals 30. Problem 23. Find the value of y in y plus 9 equals 0. Start with the equation. Y plus 9 equals 0. Subtract 9 from both sides. Y plus 9 minus 9 equals 0 minus 9. Cancel the terms on the left side. Y plus 9 minus 9 cancelled out equals 0 minus 9. Result for y. Y equals minus 9. Answer: y equals minus 9. Problem 24. Find the value of z in 4z plus 2 equals 3z minus 8. Start with the given equation. 4z plus 2 equals 3z minus 8. Subtract 3z from both sides. 4z minus 3z plus 2 equals 3z minus 3z minus 8. Cancel the variable terms on the right side. Z plus 2 equals 3z minus 3z cancelled out minus 8. Subtract 2 from both sides. Z plus 2 minus 2 equals minus 8 minus 2. Cancel the numerical terms on the left. Z plus 2 minus 2 cancelled out equals minus 8 minus 2. Calculate the value of z. Z equals minus 10. Answer: z equals minus 10. Problem 25. Find the value of x in x plus 11 equals 2. Start with the given equation. X plus 11 equals 2. Subtract 11 from both sides. X plus 11 minus 11 equals 2 minus 11. Cancel the terms on the left side. X plus 11 minus 11 cancelled out equals 2 minus 11. Final subtraction. X equals minus 9. Answer: x equals minus 9.